Here are 5 open source free tools that are actually useful. You can bookmark them right now and start using them today. I have the biggest list of open source projects out there and I'm sharing everything with you, so make sure to subscribe, and if you have any repo for me, just put it in the comment and maybe you end up in one of my videos. Let's now hear from our sponsor and then see these 5 awesome projects. Our sponsor for today is shadcn-style, and this is one of the top UI component libraries that you can find. What I really love about them is their incredible attention to detail. Check out this hero section. Everything looks so good, and also when I hover this button, we have this little detail, that subtle animation, and those are things that matter when you are building some UI. Check out this second hero section as well. With this animation behind, everything looks so live, and this is something that people remember when they come to some landing page. They also have a page builder where you can drag and drop blocks to create your own page. So we place here this awesome looking hero section, and now we can just put a pricing section right below, and we have our full page that we can just export. And they also have this admin dashboard, which is really making your life easier. Check this one out. We have a live preview, and here you have basically everything that you need for your dashboard. All these that you see in the sidebar, those are not dead links. Those are actual pages where you have everything, like every small detail that you need, like calendar, chats, email, notes, contacts, and many more. You have everything inside of this dashboard template. This is crazy. You really cannot make a mistake with shadcn-style. You have a code below for 20% off, which adds up to their 50%, so you have in total 70% off for shadcn-style, which is really crazy. Let's now check out our 5 awesome open source projects. First tool is something that many developers are paying, but this one is fully open source and 100% free. It is called Handy, and you can find it on handy.computer, and it's a speech-to-text tool. So you can just download it for many platforms. I'm using Mac, but you have here also Windows and Linux. And if I open my codex right here, whatever I speak, it is going directly here into this text. So whatever I speak, it is going directly here in codex to text. And we can see here, so it is so good. You don't have to pay any tool. There are no features like in some premium tools that you can find, and I want to tell them right now, but it is really, really awesome. Go and support this creator. What a cool guy, created something like this for like totally free. And if we go here to Handy, you can see that you can pick here different models, and I'm using this Parakeet V3. To be totally honest with you, I'm not sure like in differences between all these models, but I guess it's probably based on your dialect, on your accent and things like that. You can test out if it's picking everything for you, but I'm using it like in my English language, to say it like that. So you cannot make a mistake with any of these models. Just I'm using the default one, and download Handy. I think this is going to improve your AI workflow so much. So if you are not speaking with your AI, start from today. You have this free tool. Try it out. I promise that you are going to transform your workflow like in one moment. Our second project for today is called Shoogle. And if you love shadcn, then you're going to love this shadcn Google thing. It is on shoogle.dev, and the main thing is that we can explore various shadcn trusted registries. So here, when we are on this explore page, I can, for example, type in hero, and we are going to get all the hero sections from various libraries. So these are all trusted shadcn registries, and we can go here through all the different libraries. We can see here shadcn UI kit, UI layouts, morphine, component tree, tail-arc, and let's click on the shadcn-style. They are the sponsors of this video, and we can see that it is even rendering here on Shoogle all those blocks. So that's the awesome thing. We are not opening new tabs, we are seeing all the blocks and components directly here in Shoogle, and we can just analyze them right here. So we can see here exactly the same page from shadcn space that we saw on shadcn-space.com. So we can here go and just check all the awesome blocks, and we can even see fresh new blocks from different libraries. Also to search, to bookmark, we can log in here and keep our blocks that we want to check for later, or maybe use them on some projects. So this is one really awesome project created by one really legendary developer. So I really love Shoogle, and I think you're going to love it too. Our third project for today is called shieldcn. You can find it on shieldcn.dev. And these are the badges your README craves. I really love this sentence. So check this one out. I go here to this input. I just type in my GitHub username, which is the OrcDev, and I automatically get all badges that I need generated right here on this page. So we have detected 26 badges for the OrcDev. So we have my profile, how many followers I have, stars, repos. We have all my socials from my README file right there. We have all the skills and languages that I'm using. Those are basically inside of my README file, all my top repositories, and I can just take this one, copy paste the entire thing, and just put it inside of my README file. How awesome is that? We can just go with one input to this one and to the output directly, and we have literally like 10 seconds to change our entire README file. So we can see here that you can also change the style of your badge. So we can change here the size, we can change from dark to light mode. We can even change the themes. We have like blue, green, rose, orange. We can change the font, format, we can download it, we can do with it whatever we want. Everything is totally free. I'm really surprised that this project doesn't have more stars. It has only 147 stars, and it is really awesome. So go and fix that, give this guy a star. This is one really awesome and young developer, and we should support open source definitely a lot more. Our fourth project for today is called NativeWind. You can find it on nativewind.dev. And this is Tailwind CSS, but for React Native apps. Can you imagine how hard it was to create something like this? So we can go here and for our native applications, just type in Tailwind, and it is going to work on our native apps using React Native. So we have here dark and light mode, all the colors, CSS variables, CSS animations, so all the things that we need and that we are using in React normally, we can use also in React Native. And not only that, but there are here NativeWind UI, React Native reusables, and different libraries that we can use together with NativeWind, and that one is giving us the power of shadcn. So we can get here like all the components and blocks and things like that. So this one, you can even see that this one is looking exactly the same like shadcn. So we have here all the components that we can just use on React Native, and everything works same like with shadcn. So we can just go here, check out these blocks, pick up any block that we want, and just use it on our native app, which is really crazy. This was so hard to do like just a couple of years ago, but now we can just go here with AI, take all these blocks, all these components, and just use them directly on our native app. Amazing. I really love React Native reusables and also NativeWind. I think this is the future, and we should make like all these things easy, and nothing shouldn't be like complicated to work on like it was before with native apps. I think that NativeWind solved that, and here in Showcase we can see many awesome looking apps, and also these stars here, 7,800 stars, are telling me a lot about this project, so definitely check out NativeWind. And our fifth and final project for today is called BKLit UI. You can find it on ui.bklit.com. shadcn-style.com, and these are one of the most impressive charts that you can find in the shadcn ecosystem. So check out these charts, how awesome they look, and they're full of really awesome looking animations that are pretty subtle, nothing too aggressive, but it looks really good and modern for charts, which is really awesome. Check out this chart. Have you seen a chart like this before? This is really impressive, and this one as well, really looking good. Like, all the charts are looking really amazing. There are also some other components as well, and one really unique thing that I haven't seen anywhere else before, and that's the Chart Creator Studio. So this is something truly unique. We can choose here any chart that we want, for example, a bar chart. Then we can choose motion, is it ease or spring? So we can see here this spring animation or this just ease animation that comes in. Really amazing. Also here we can choose like from where is that animation going to happen. So really, this is really sick. I'm really surprised with this. This developer is really awesome. And also we have here duration. We have presets like ease out, snappy, ease in, out, etc. So you can choose your animation for your chart. Really amazing. I have to say again, really sick. Also this like series, grouped and stacked. So we can choose different type of chart. This is probably depending on the chart that we chose. This is for bar charts. We can also choose bar width, so we can put like 40 pixels or 60 pixels. And so 48 is the maximum. We can choose maybe 5. Yeah, this one is not looking that good, but of course you can choose whatever you want. We have also the group gap between all these columns, and also the design. So we can choose the design. Now, this is really awesome. Like, I haven't seen this anywhere else. This is the only project having a chart builder so far, and this is truly impressive. All of these charts are working like both in light and dark mode. They're fully responsive in all resolutions. Check out this. Like, what the heck is this? I don't even know what is this. Like, this is a chart on a world map. Then we have here like this line chart. This is something that I really love. And also, for example, this ring chart. Like, check out these animations. These animations are like the most impressive thing here on these charts. Also this, for example, radar chart. This is really, really awesome. I don't know how many stars does this library have. It's only 558 stars. I think you even cannot see it. It's right here. You can see it now. So go give this guy a star. This UIX Matt is really an amazing design engineer. So his name is Matt. Okay, awesome. So go give Matt a star. And this is really, really amazing. And I'm definitely going to use this backlit UI somewhere. I already have my repo stars project, so I'm definitely going to try out some of these chart components. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that these projects are going to be useful to you and that they maybe inspired you for your open source project. So I'm calling you out again. If you have some interesting open source project to show me, just post it down there in the comments. I'm always hunting for new awesome projects like these, and I'm willing to put them on a video to show them to the world and to get as many stars and many views as possible. So for more content like this, join the Mighty Horde, subscribe.